Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is acceptance. Scorpio, what do we need to accept, my kings, my queens, my superstar? Maybe that you have to go alone. You have to stand on your own too. There's no one that can understand the greatness of truly who you are until you step up and be counted and you actually believe in the gifts and how special you truly really are. Maybe you have to accept that you have to go this road alone just for a moment. Maybe you have to accept the fact that you are this great and you'll never be happy until you let your talent show. I accept every step that life gives me and presents me without resistance. I try to find out what universe is trying to teach me so I can grow. Growth comes with wisdom, with more power, more strength. Therefore, you can maintain, sustain bigger blessings than you can even imagine, than you're even asking for right now. Thus, I advance in freedom on the path to light. Ready to be great? I know you are. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.